Okay, KF0GV, this is Whiskey 1 Alpha Whiskey. I do have another station calling, so we're going to cut it short here, and I'm going to wish you good luck in contacting your friend coming up in the Mobile to visit you there in Austin, Minnesota. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good day. Should I move off frequency? Was this where you're going to talk to N0LIW? Over?
He's texting me. He says he hears you, but he doesn't hear me because we're way too close, probably for 20 meters. So yeah, just go ahead and call Dave when we're done here, and he'll talk to you. W1AW, Carol, 73, and thanks a lot for the contact, and have a great day out there. This is KF0GV in Austin, Minnesota. We're standing by.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think I hear your friend Dave. He was doubling with you a little bit there. And thank you very much, Pete. 7-3 to you. And we'll move on to Dave. I heard you. N0LIW. This is W1AW. Carol here at the Maxim Memorial Station in Newington, Connecticut. Over.
Okay, I think you said Carol. This is N0LIW. And we are in the mobile. We're about 150 miles south of Pete. We were just trying to mess around with 20-meter mobile today. Yeah, you're just booming in here about +9 here in the mobile in northern Iowa. And yeah, very good. No, that's kind of fun. I didn't have a copy at all on Pete. I figured the signal was probably going right over my head. So yeah, thanks for coming back. W1AW. I think you said Carol. This is N0LIW. Name is Dave.